Alex had just finished his last day at Gadgetronics Inc., a company known for its peculiar management and even more peculiar paychecks. He was excited to finally get his last pay, dreaming of what he'd buy. He walked into Mr. Grumble's office, a place filled with stacks of forgotten memos, and the faint smell of stale coffee. Mr. Grumbles, the eccentric owner, was known for his odd decisions. "Ah, Alex! Just the man I wanted to see," Mr. Grumbles exclaimed, adjusting his spectacles. "Here's your final compensation. It's been an experience." Alex nervously accepted the envelope. He'd heard rumors about company scrip, but never thought he'd actually receive it. His heart pounded as he opened it. Inside wasn't a bank check, but a brightly colored piece of paper. It looked like Monopoly money, with Gadgetronics bucks printed across the top. "Gadgetronics bucks?" Alex asked, his voice a mix of disbelief and slight amusement. "What exactly am I supposed to do with this, Mr. Grumbles?" Mr. Grumbles chuckled, a dry, reedy sound. "Why, you can spend it right here at the Gadgetronics Company store, of course. We've got everything you need." Alex blinked. A company store? He hadn't even known one existed. He imagined dusty shelves filled with obsolete gadgets and broken office supplies. "But I need to pay my rent, buy groceries. You know, real-world things," Alex pleaded, holding up the colorful scrip. It felt lighter than air, yet heavy with disappointment. Mr. Grumbles leaned back, a smug look on his face. "Details! Details! Think of the exclusivity. Not everyone gets paid in such a unique currency, Alex." Alex sighed, running a hand through his hair. This was beyond absurd. He decided to play along, at least for a moment. "Okay, what can I get with these bucks?" "Well, with your full paycheck, you could get a slightly used stapler from 1998, a box of paper clips, or perhaps a delightful, slightly expired energy bar," Mr. Grumbles announced proudly. Alex stared, a slow smile spreading across his face, despite himself. This was so ridiculous it was almost funny. He couldn't help but laugh. "A stapler from 1998? Alex burst out, genuine laughter escaping him. "Mr. Grumbles, you truly are a character. I appreciate the unique experience." Mr. Grumbles' eyes twinkled. "Always a pleasure to keep things interesting, Alex. Perhaps you'll look back on this day and tell tales." Alex left the office, the Gadgetronics bucks feeling strangely warm in his hand. He hadn't received real money, but he had received an unforgettable story. He went straight to a diner, ordered the cheapest coffee he could find, and called his friend, recounting the entire bizarre ordeal. His friend howled with laughter on the other end. "You're kidding! Company scrip? That's legendary, Alex!" Alex realized then that some experiences, no matter how frustrating at the time, become priceless stories later. His final paycheck was indeed unique. He might not have bought groceries, but he had gained an incredible, albeit absurd, anecdote about the time his last job paid him in worthless paper. He kept the scrip as a reminder of the laugh,